I haven't made an electronics video in a long time, so I thought I'd make one. I'm always doing something. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I'm always doing something different. But here you go, here's a motor, and it's got a Hall sensor just strapped to the shell of it, and you wonder, can it actually read the windings in the motor? So on the screen you've actually got the Hall sensor reading. So this is a bit risky, so I have to put the camera back up here again. But if you just watch that reading, I have to hold on to the motor here, and it's below 24 volt. I mean, it can do 500 grams, this motor. So I turn it on, and the reading's 442, but if I let the leg go a little bit, look, value changed. Now a bit more. 440. Force it back. Yeah, so hang on, does that make sense? So 440, 433, then I move the motor, 440, then I force it back, and I'm 435 after a hiccup. So you can see that it's on the LSB, but you can actually just strap a Hall sensor to the side of the motor, just like that, and you can actually read the winding. There is an issue though, because it changes polarity in the other direction, because you're reading the electromagnet, not the permanent magnet. And you can still actually read the electromagnet as well. It sort of reads them both together. But negative polarity actually has a different value to positive polarity, but remember, it's actually adding to the permanent magnet in there, so it's actually just an offset. So when you go in negative polarity, the number switches on you for the same position, but other than that, that's the only complication for it. And you can just strap to the side of the motor if you're real lazy. But it's a little tiny bit of software complication for reverse polarity, that's it. It maybe suits having an extra sensitive Hall sensor if you want to do it there, because I think it has to read through the motor shell, and that's why it's only on the LSB, the difference as it goes around. But it looks like you're going to get like 20 positions in 90 degrees with this thing, so it's not that bad. But if you had an extra sensitive Hall sensor, it probably works fine.